guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is around 10 o'clock p.m. already. I just came back from the paid division of the hospital because I had to admit a patient for dermatology, and it took me around 4 hours to do everything, and it was my first time to do that. And like, people were telling me like, admissions in dermatology like rarely happen. So but I guess that was my entire day at least. So I just have to monitor the patient until 12 midnight, and then I have the rest of the night to study because we have a quiz tomorrow at 7 a.m. and then I'm from duty. So yeah, that's basically the highlight of my 24-hour duty. I'm back now in the quarters. No one is here. I don't know where they are. Probably checking on their patients also. And yeah, I haven't eaten yet. It's 10 p.m. but yeah, I'm excited to eat. That's what I'm excited to do, and I'm so haggard na and like tired. But yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna change and like leave my stuff here, and I'm gonna grab food and I'm gonna eat. So yeah, let's go. We're having dinner. Hi guys!
Pakita mo si RJ, hi!
RJ! Ano siya? Hiya pa siya. 2 a.m. Another patient. Walang tao. Check on my patient. I just checked on my patient. And now I'm walking again. Bit-bit ko na naman yung study notes ko. Walking back to the quarters to get some rest.